All right, let's dive right in. Today, we are cracking open the blueprint for earning a real income online. And the best part? It requires zero investment. We're going to break down 5 totally legitimate methods that are perfect for anyone looking to get started in 2025.
But first, let's just address the elephant in the room. Is this whole make money online for free thing even real? I mean, it's the question on everyone's mind, right? With so much noise and so many scams out there, it's smart to be skeptical. So, is it actually possible, or is it just a myth? Let's find out.
Okay, so it's super important to draw a clear line in the sand right here. On one side, you have the online scams. They're always promising instant cash with zero effort. And you know how that ends. Disappointment, every time. But on the other side, you have the real methods. And yeah, they require skill, they take time, and they demand consistency. This isn't a miracle, it's a method. And that is the foundation for everything we're about to cover.
So, here's our game plan for today. We'll start with what the online earnings promise really means. Then we'll jump into how to put your existing skills up for hire. After that, we'll talk about creating your own platform, leveraging some incredible automated systems. And finally, we'll cover the most important part, the path to real, lasting success.
First up, let's talk about that promise of earning online. Because before you dive into any method, the absolute most important first step is setting some realistic expectations.
Let's get one thing straight right off the bat. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is not about becoming a millionaire overnight. These are legitimate, proven strategies that require you to put in real effort. But the good news is that real effort is exactly what builds a real, sustainable income over time. So, you're ready to put in the work, but where do you actually start? Well, the most direct path to earning that very first dollar online is by putting your skills up for hire, and we're going to do that through the power of freelancing.
So what is freelancing really? You've probably heard the term, but it's simple. You are your own boss. You're providing your services and skills to clients on a project-by-project basis. No full-time commitment, just you, your skills, and your schedule. It's one of the most trusted ways to get started.
And here's the best part. You might be surprised to find you already have skills that clients are paying for right now. Seriously, if you can type accurately, if you've ever messed around with Canva to make a graphic, edited a simple video, or even just written a clear email, you have valuable, in-demand skills you can start offering today.
Okay, you're probably thinking, but where do I find these clients? Well, huge marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com were built for exactly this. They are designed to connect people with your skills to businesses that desperately need them. Landing that very first project is the key. Once you do that, you start to build real momentum.
Now, working for clients is great, but what if you want to move beyond that? What if you want to build your own thing, an asset that's truly yours? Well, that brings us to our next step, creating your own platform. And we're going to focus on 2 powerful and totally free options, YouTube Shorts and blogging. Let's break these 2 paths down. On one hand, you've got YouTube Shorts. You can create these short, 60-second clips, think quotes, cool facts, motivational moments, and you can earn through YouTube's monetization program and sponsorships, often without ever even showing your face. Then, on the other hand, you've got blogging on free platforms like blogger.com or Medium. You can write about anything you're passionate about, tech, education, finance, and earn through things like Google AdSense and affiliate links.
Okay, next up in our blueprint, let's talk about leverage. This is where things get really interesting. We're going to talk about using automated systems to scale your efforts, specifically through affiliate marketing and the incredible power of AI. Affiliate marketing is such a fantastic model because you earn money without ever having to create your own product. It's a super simple 3-step process. First, you join an affiliate program. Think Amazon, for example. Second, you share your special, unique link to a product. And third, you earn a commission on every single sale that comes through that link. Once you get that first sale, you'll see how powerful this system can be.
And look, in 2025, earning online is easier than ever before because you have access to superpowers. I'm talking about AI. Tools like ChatGPT can literally brainstorm content ideas and write scripts for you. Canva can whip up professional graphics in seconds, and CapCut makes video editing so fast and simple it's almost unbelievable. You can use these for your own platform or to supercharge your freelance services.
And that is honestly the best way to think about them. They aren't just tools that perform a task, they are your new creative partners. They help you create better content way faster than you could on your own. Embracing these tools is the key to working smarter, not just harder.
And that brings us to our final, and maybe the most important section, the path to real success. Because look, having the right tools is one thing, but having the right mindset, that's what actually makes them work. It's all about consistency, patience, and taking action.
So many people fall into the same traps. I really want you to avoid these. People install fake quick cash apps that do nothing. They fall for the get-rich-in-one-day hype, and this is the most common one. They lose patience and give up right before they might have seen real results. Honestly, just avoiding these 3 mistakes is half the battle.
So if you walk away with just one thing from all of this, please let it be this formula. Real online earning comes down to 3 things: skill, plus time, plus consistency. That's it. Every single successful method, no matter what it is built on these 3 pillars. There are no shortcuts.
But what does consistency actually look like in the real world? It's not about working 12 hours a day from the get-go. No, it's about focused effort. Just commit to 1 to 2 hours per day, focusing on only one of the methods we talked about, and do it for 30 days straight. This small, tangible goal is how you build the consistency that actually leads to results.
And I want you to remember this. Every single person you see earning a living online started in the exact same place you are right now, at the very beginning, from zero. The only difference between them and the people who tried and failed is that they just didn't quit. They kept going.
So, as we wrap this up, the ball is officially in your court. Your first step doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to be pretty, it just has to be taken. We've looked at freelancing, we've looked at creating content, we've looked at affiliate marketing. The only question left is, which tool will you pick up first?